Welcome to our channel. Today we how to enable using mockups in Placeit, quick tutorial step by step clearly. Open your web browser and navigate to the Placeit website. Log into your Placeit account, or create a new one if you don't have an account yet. Once you're logged in, locate the search bar at the top of the page. Type in mockups in the search bar and hit enter. You will be directed to a selection of mockup templates. Browse through the available options to find the mockup that suits your needs. Click on the mockup that you want to use. This will take you to the customization page for that specific mockup. Here, you will see options to upload your design or choose one from Placeit's templates. To upload your own design, click on the Upload button. Select the file from your device that you want to use for the mockup. Once uploaded, adjust your design if necessary using the provided tools. You can reposition, resize, or rotate your design to fit perfectly within the mockup. After you are satisfied with the placement, take a moment to review the overall look. When everything looks good, click on the Download button. Choose the desired resolution quality for your mockup. Your mockup will then be processed and prepared for download. Once processing is complete, the download will start automatically or prompt you to save the file. Congratulations! You have successfully enabled and used a mockup in Placeit. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Log out when you finish, especially on shared devices, to keep your account and payment information secure. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.